I'm going to do a little refresher course for those of you who forgot how to save your AutoCAD documents the proper way. And this is how I want it done. So I finished my beautiful drawing here and I hit save. Now I'm going to go back up here to AutoCAD Web and Mobile, where I get my list of everything I've saved. Now let's check on the one we just had, which is App 06. And then I'm going to go over to download. You give that a second. And there it is. This is just a video I made before. And now this is going to be saved. In this case, I'm on my desktop, so it's going to be saved to my folder, which is, what is that called? Downloads folder. But for you guys, it'll probably go, if you're using a Chromebook, it'll probably go onto your Google Drive. So it's as simple as that. You're going to retrieve the document, and then you're going to put it in the Google Classroom to be handed in. All right.